Hi, Detlef Schümann here from We4IT. Today I want to show you how easy it is to create a Kanban board with Aveedo. I have here my regular notes application with some documents that have a status field and a due date and a title and so on. And because it has these documents have a status field, it would be a good idea to manage these documents with a Kanban board, and that's possible with Aveedo. So let's switch to my Aveedo in the browser, and as you can see I have an empty Aveedo instance. It has a name but no application, and now I will migrate the application in my Aveedo instance. I open the designer, go to Tools, Migration Wizard to migrate the application. I select it on my server. It's in the Aveedo folder. I select the database, click on Next. I select the form and the view I want to migrate. Click Next again, and now I'm ready. Click on Finish, and now everything is migrated in my Aveedo instance. Now if I go back here to the launcher, I reload it, and as you can see I now have an application here. I open it, and every document I have here in my notes database is now displayed here in my Aveedo application. These of course are the same documents because Aveedo is just a user interface for existing notes databases that is here. So what we see here is a regular notes view, but what we want to have is a Kanban view. Therefore we go back to the Aveedo designer, and we will now create a view that displays my documents in a Kanban board, because a Kanban board is a view in Aveedo. We click on New View here and give it a title. Select the type. It's a task board. Click on Next. I select the source database and the object I want to display on the board. Click on Next again. And now I choose the layout and click on Create. So now we have to decide what kind of data we want to show on the cards in the board. For this we add data lines here, and the first line we want to have is the username. So we add the username here. It's we want to display the common name of the user. Click on Apply. The next line should be the title of the task. We select the task field here. Then let's say we want to show the percentage. It's this field, and then the due date would be also a good idea. Due date field here, and because it's a date field, we select for format the date here and click on Apply. So that's it for the data lines, and now we have to decide some more things here. We want to select the field where the editor is saved in the document. It's the field user, and we want to have the status field. It's the field status. And we want to decide which keyword we want to use for the swim lanes. It's also the status field. Click Apply. Click Compile. And now we have our Kanban. To open Aveedo directly with a Kanban, we have to change two settings right now. First we go to the Aveedo user interface settings, and select the stat application. It should no longer be the launcher, but the my application I have created. That's the first thing. And the other thing here is the application. In the application itself, I want that my application is started not with the all view, but with the Kanban view. It's a start page here. That's it. Save it. We should give it a nice icon here. Let's use the the check icon. And now if I reload it here, boom, we have our Kanban view. Yes, and we needed 4 minutes to create this Kanban. Fantastic, isn't it? So, yeah, what kind of options do we have? First, let's have a look at the board itself. What do we see here? We have the name of the user, we have the title, we have the percentage, and we have the due date. And what we also have is a preview. If I click on the document, I see the preview of the document on the right hand side. And of course, if I drag and drop a task from open to, let's say, in progress, let's do it with this document. I click on it, status is open, I drag it here in progress and click on it again, and you see status changed to in progress. I can also add the document here and change, for example, the due date and so on. So everything is possible here in this board. I can also filter the board here with selecting the user. If I only want to see my documents, I select my name here, and as you can see, I can only see my documents. Yeah, there are some options in the board itself. For example, setting a color. I will show it for you. I click on properties here, and here is a script editor for the color formula. I paste here my formula. It says if the status is in progress, display dark orange. If it's done, in medium sea green. I close it, apply it. In that case, I have to compile the view again. I reload it here. And as you can see, we now have a color here on the side that indicates me the status of the task. Yeah, that's it. A complete Kanban board in 5 minutes with yeah, our fantastic Aveedo tool.